I think it's time to make some mirror writing. Write this way, everyone. I'll let you how. Alright, first we go to the start. We're pushing this button or clicking on the icon. This is the right button. Okay. And click on Microsoft Word. First, we want to save our file. I go into the video first, but we go save as Word document. And rename it. Or how to make real word in Microsoft Word products. Not the products. Could you go to Ariel?
You gotta watch this girl. Right here. My son? Yeah.
And it's this one. Oops. Go to all text box where we join cursor under all the text box. Now I don't. Yeah. Video control X. Oopsie. Video special. You go to picture and shine to the metaphor. You think a brother works this and you make a picture. Now you put okay. Oh, yum, 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 yum. It's a sure now. Thank you for the last cookie, and my name is Tristan. I was just, I'm running around there just a little bit. So, now we take it, we go press this button. Alright, we go format picture. 3D rotation. I'm going to go to X rotation. Not really. I don't like it like that. Not. Then like go like that. We want to go to not yours. We want to go to X. We go to 180. There's some other stuff. There's some stuff going on in here. I might have it averted and bushy because I have the fans on this computer now. No, we don't need to relax. I don't have a
Remember when we bought a video?
look. There we go. Okay. Wait, this works. Unfortunately, the printer is not here. I need to open the doorknobs. I don't know how to. I'll help you, Chester. The printer is up the stairs. Let's go. You never knew there was a kitty here all the time. I know how the phone that's taking that video. I only off. Let's get over it. I don't care. Could just do this. Turn it over. Shine light on it. It's hard though. See what's on it? Oh, it's on mirror writing. Oh, that's unfortunately Chester is being judged. Now here we go at the mirror. Just so you know that just the camera, that's the phone. See that that's taking the video. Oh, here we go. Mirror. Let's show you. I take this. This is how to make mirror work. Now you can have time holding the phone opener. firm.